Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 a week in your regular car. You're going to be delivering Amazon packages. This is like one of the easiest gigs you can do. It's one of the best gigs you can do. I used to do that. I did this for about 2 or 3 years, and my friend called me last year, and he says, I have to make money. You know, he said he needed to make money, and he was asking me, he said, do you still do that Amazon Flex? And I told him no, but I set him up, for the few days. I was tutoring him how to do this the right way. And now he brings at least $1,000 a week. He'll sometimes bring 12, 1,300 in one week, and he does this in a little Honda Accord, tiny ass car. It's small, and his wife, he didn't even have a license at the time. He didn't even have a license. He had his girl sign up for this. They approved her, and she drives, and he goes with her, and sometimes the kids go with him. And this little tiny ass Honda, and it makes good money, man. And he's been doing it since, man. He was in Puerto Rico recently, a couple of weeks ago, and he was trying to do this in Puerto Rico where they didn't have it down there. I told him, just relax and do your vacation. You know what I'm saying? He's over there trying to do this. But this is one of the easiest gigs you can do. Like I said, you can do it in your car. When I did it, I had a minivan, and I would sort them out. There's a way to do this. First of all, let me explain what a block is. Amazon does blocks. They have 2-hour blocks, 3-hour blocks, 4-hour blocks, and 5-hour blocks. And then in between 2.5, 3.5, and 4.5-hour blocks. And they pay you a certain amount of money for those blocks, okay? So let's say you have a 3-hour block. The blocks hardly ever, and I've done hundreds of blocks, man, they hardly ever take the amount that's allotted for them. So if it's a 3-hour block, chances are it's going to be done in an hour up to 2 hours. It never, hardly ever. I mean, I can't remember more than once or twice where it actually took the whole 3 hours to do. So they never take what they're supposed to, but this is the time slots that they give you. And if you look here, my friend here, he did this. This says on December 5th. I had him send me some screenshots a while back. I never did the video because I just got backtracked, and now I'm gonna start doing different things besides box trucks so you can make money. So this is from December 5th, which was on a Sunday. He made $139. The same day he came back in the afternoon, and he did another block for $108.50. Okay, so and then Monday he did one for $124. Went back, got another one for $108, and then he went back and did 3 blocks that Sunday. I'm telling you, he's a hustler, man. He did 3 blocks that Sunday. So for 2 days, he made $606.50 for 2 days, and they pay you twice a week. Amazon pays on Tuesday and on Friday. So on Tuesday, you get paid for the blocks you do Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And then on Friday, you get paid for the blocks you do on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So they pay you twice a week. Okay, so you made $600 in 2 days. And then he came back for the rest of the week. It says here on the 7th, which was a Tuesday, he made $135, came back. Well, he probably went home. He was done. He didn't want to work. So this was in the morning. So he made $135 before everybody else was getting ready to go to work. He came back on Wednesday, did 2 blocks, 124 and 155. Okay, and then on the Thursday, he came back and did 2 more blocks for $139 and $108. So it's about another $600. So he made over $1,200 doing this from Sunday till Friday, and I guess he took Saturday off, man. This is like one of the easiest things you can do. It's one of the best things you do. I used to love it because it's just easy money, man. The only time I didn't like about this was delivering to the buildings, because people nowadays, they lock the buildings and you can't get into them. But the vast majority of the routes, they're easy. I remember one time I did a route, man. It was like a 4-hour route, and there were houses like in 2 streets. Boom, 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 boom. And like I said, they give you a sticker. Each box has a sticker, and it's like a yellow sticker, and it has a letter, and then it'll have a number. So it has a letter A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, all the way. So you can get 20 packages. You're gonna get something that says A or H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 20. So what you do is, what I used to do to get the most out of it, to do this the fastest way, because you don't want to be digging for packages. What I would do, I would put the envelopes, because the packages are listed in certain ways. The envelopes are those ones that we always tear, where they put the little stuff in. You order a phone case and you rip that envelope. Those are envelopes, okay? Then they have small boxes, medium boxes, and then they have large boxes, which aren't really large. So what I would do, in the front seat, I would put all the envelopes, and I put them in order by the numbers. The A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, And then on the back floor, I would put the medium boxes. On the back seat, I would put the small boxes and then the medium boxes on the seat. And in the back, I would put the large boxes. So when you go in the app, you do the boxes one by one. And if it says envelope, go straight to the first envelope and it's going to be there. You scan the envelope, drop it off, and you're good to go. If it's like a medium, let's say medium box, and then I have the number, go in the back seat, grab the medium box. And the first one that's there is going to be, so you do them in order. It's like boom, 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 man. Fastest thing you can do. Another thing you have to do is you get a vest. They got Amazon vests. You got to make sure that you ask for them. And it says Amazon because you're doing this in your regular car. And most people you would think they would know about it already by now, but a lot of people, they don't, they get caught by surprise. And you don't want to be walking up on somebody's porch with a package in your hand. So make sure you get the Amazon vest they give you. Get a flashlight, a big flashlight, so when it gets dark outside early. Get you some mace in case you run into a dog, and get a little camera, man. I had a camera on my underneath my rear view mirror, and I got bit by a dog once, man. I got bit by a dog. I was delivering a package, and the owner came out, and the dog just came right between the legs. And I had it all on film. I gave it to my lawyer. They called me. The insurance gave me like $4,000, man. He bit me in the leg, man. I wanted more money, but they wouldn't give me more money. So I get a camera, a vest, and one of those things. What are those things called? Those yellow things, those orange things, those ambers that, those things, those yellow things to put on top of the car with a magnet. That'll help you too, because like I said, you don't want to sneak up on somebody's porch with a package in your hand, even though you're delivering it. They don't know you're delivering it, and you're in a regular car. I'm going to show you how to sign up for this. This is Amazon Flex. You go to flex.amazon.com. I'll put the link in the description. And what you do is you go here and you're going to look for your city, okay? This stuff, when they need drivers, they open it up for certain cities and it goes fast, man. I remember I was in an Instacart group on Facebook, and I was trying to get in this for a while, and somebody was like, hey, they just opened up the Cleveland area. And I signed up, man, and within 10 minutes, they were already gone. So if they don't have it one day, come back every day and check until your city pops up here. So we're going to scroll down, go to cities, go to view all. And here in Ohio, they have Cincinnati, Columbus, and Toledo. Cleveland is all booked. So they open Cleveland maybe 4 or 5 times a year because, like I said, it's so popular here. We have like 6 or 7 different warehouses in Northeast Ohio, and everybody does this, man. It's good money. It's easy work, and there's a lot of times you'll go and they won't have any packages left. Let's say you get a 4-hour block for $130. You go and they don't have any packages left because everybody don't went behind you. They overbooked. They do this every single day, and I can't tell you, I had dozens of times where I would go and they give you it's called a scan and go, where you give them your phone, they'll scan it, and then you just go. Your block is done, and they pay you for doing nothing. This happened to me dozens and dozens of times, but for me it was strategic because they start delivering at 4 in the morning and then they stop at about 7 p.m. And I would get blocks that was close to the 7 p.m. Where people would already be, doing those basic rates. So what I would do is wait for the rates to go up, and I try to get them, at 7 p.m. or as early as possible when everybody's sleeping. That's when they pay the most money. And at nighttime, man, I can't tell you how many times I went in there, and sometimes you'll get one package, they won't have any packages. They say, well, here's one we found here, go deliver that, and you get paid the full amount. So this is like the best gig. The only thing about this is this is just like the Amazon Relay, where they give basic rates. So what they try to do is send you a text and try to send you, let's say it's Monday, they'll try to send you a basic rate, for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday that you can book. And you can cancel them, as long as you do it within 45 minutes of the pickup time. But people, they want that guaranteed money, so they take that basic rate all the time. The vast majority of the people do this. I've never done that. I've done it before, and then I was like, I would cancel them because that's not the way I roll, man. I still have the app here. Let me see if I can. So they have this here. Still here. I don't know if you can see that. This is, they have an 8 to 10 p.m. pickup, and then they have a $90 pickup for tomorrow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 warehouses, and they do whole food deliveries too. I don't know if you can see that. Let me bring it closer or something. But they have 8 warehouses where I'm at, so that's why they're gone, because everybody does this. So what you do is you go every day and just make sure that you check every day. I had to check every day for like a month straight, and then like I said, I signed into Facebook, and I was in the Instacart group, and somebody said that Cleveland was open. The Cleveland was open. The Flex. I signed up, and they do a background check. It's takes a couple days. It doesn't take that long, and they're pretty flexible. No pun intended. They when it comes to felonies, as long as it's 7 years, in the past, they'll still let you do this. You know what I'm saying? As long as it's not some crazy old crime, violent crime, it's still worth to do it. So, like I said, you only need a license. My boy didn't have a license, so he had his girl signed up, and he's been doing it since. He's been doing it for over a year now. He makes at least $1,000 every single week, man. Every single week, and he loves doing this. He'll go early in the morning, and the thing is, you got to be getting up early in the morning to do this. If you want to get the best loads and you want to be done before everybody else, before the rush comes, do this in the morning, and that's how you're going to make the most money. And then what I do is I always look for the closer to the end of the night when there's less packages, and who knows, you might get paid just to check in. So this is Amazon Flex. I'm gonna leave it here. There's not really much I can say else about it. I mean, it's pretty easy. It's not hard at all. You get packages all the time, and I'm sure you run into these people when they deliver your packages. I get Amazon packages every day. My kids, my wife, they like ordering that crap every day, and they come. I have an affinity for the Flex driver, because this is what I used to do. So what I do whenever I catch them out there, I'll tip them, give them water, give them snacks or whatever, man. But you'll see them, and I'm pretty sure you guys, they just come in their regular cars and they deliver packages, man. And they make good money, man. If you talk to any of them and ask them, they'll tell you they love to do this stuff, man. So Amazon Flex, this is a great way to make money. This is not a box truck business, but if you want something you can do with your car right away, and you don't want to sit in some factory making $12, $13 an hour, bringing home $400 a week or whatever it is, go ahead and do this. You can be your own boss. Once you're done, you're done. You can go home. You can go pick up more packages, but you won't have anybody telling you what to do, and you're your own boss. I mean, that's what it's all about. This is what this channel is all about. So I'll let you guys go. You guys have a good one, man. Good luck.